Hello everyone, it's Andy Pow here from Medic's Money. In this short video, we are going to cover what is the true cost of something. We're often asked from Medic's Money, actually, I want to spend some money on something. And so actually we need to consider what it costs you after certain reliefs for things like pension contributions, tax, national insurance, student loan repayments. And additionally, does this impact on things like tax-free childcare allowances? So in this very short video, what we are going to try and do is trying to show you actually what the true cost of something is once you take all those things into consideration. And in some cases, unbelievably, there will be some cases where you can actually get more for spending money within your business. We're going to use the example of the Medic's Money GP partnership course to show you how the cost of the course breaks down once you take into account all these factors. So the GP partnership course at the moment costs £3,000. That's the headline figure that you see as a GP in partnership to join our course, which is a 12-month course. But actually, does it cost you that much? No, it doesn't, because it starts to reduce things. Okay, so the first thing it reduces is your pension contributions. Why do you think that is? Well, basically, your pension contributions, your pension pay is linked to the profits that you earn. And therefore, if you reduce your profits by incurring tax deductible expenses, it also reduces your pension pay a little bit. The consequence is as a GP partner, you are probably paying at a rate of 13.5% on your employee contribution, but you're also paying 14.38% as an employer contribution. So that is a whopping 27.88% that you are currently paying in terms of pension contributions. If all of that course reduces your pensionable pay, then it reduces your pension contributions you pay in year by £731. So we see that the £3,000 has come down to £2,269. Secondly, if it's tax deductible, and if you are a GP partner in partnership, this course is supporting your work as a partner, is supporting your business, it should be tax deductible, then it reduces your national insurance as well. Only on the marginal element. So the marginal element of national insurance you pay is 2%. So you pay 2% national insurance on all your profits above £50,270. Assuming this expense is in that level of profits above that limit, you get a further 2%. So that's another £60 off. We're down to 2209. It also reduces your tax. Now, bear in mind, the reduction in pension contributions has an impact for tax as well the other way. Taking that into account, actually a 40% tax payer, the net cost reduces to 1301. If you're in the 45% tax band, so that really means you earn above 125,000, then that reduces to 1188. And if you're one of those unlucky people where your marginal income is in the 100,000 to about 125,000 band, where you're paying a whopping 60% tax rate, then actually the net cost is reduced to £848. Okay? Now, even more than that, if you're paying student loans, the amount you pay is based on your taxable profit. And it's your taxable profit excluding your pension contributions. So it's even worse as a GP partner. So if you are someone with a student loan, then actually paying some expense, getting some tax relief for additional expense reduces your student loan. So all of those combined reduce the cost of the course from £3,000 to a potential £578. So it's a massive reduction in really what it is costing you. So what we'd always say is when you're looking at any expense, not just our courses, but any expense you incur as a GP partner, do not forget to factor in tax relief, reduction in pension contributions, national insurance relief, student loan issues. Now, a couple of those do have some downsides. So, your student loan ultimately will need to be paid off. So it will increase the time you pay it off over. I do take that into account. And secondly, a reduction in pensionable pay also will have an impact in terms of your pension. Although one-off costs, it's not going to be significant over time. There are a couple of other things to consider about. If you're one of those doctors who are have issues with the pensions annual allowance, which is covered in detail on our course, you may actually reduce the annual allowance tax charges you pay as well. And if you're one of those people that is in that bracket of income which takes you above £100,000, where you lose the tax-free childcare, then actually, if you can get your income below £100,000, you can get that tax-free childcare back, which will mean overall paying money gives you money back, which is amazing. Okay, we cover all of these types of things on our GP partnership program. We've trained so far hundreds of general practice partners. So that's not just GPs, that's pharmacists, practice managers, anyone who's a partner in practice. You don't have to be new to general practice either to benefit from the scheme. It's a year-long program with live teaching and also support sessions put on throughout the year on lots of topical issues. You also get to join our fantastic community, which has over 400 partners on it, exchanging ideas on all kinds of things. Cohort 7 starts in February 2024 and it's already selling fast. So if you really want to get some more information, do have a look at the link below and contact us. Thanks for your time.